A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. In at the time when Jesus did a walk on earth, everybody did have them own opinion about who him did be. But what about you today? Who you think Jesus be? I want you think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, then now is a good time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you not miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 from verse 27 to verse 30. After that, Jesus and him follower them go to one town named Caesarea Philippi. When them did dip on them way, him asked them say, "Who people say me be?" Them say, some say you are John the Baptist, some say Elijah, and some say you are one of the prophet them. Then Jesus asked them say, "But what about Uno? Who Uno think me be?" Peter answer him say, "You are the Christ." Then Jesus warned them not to tell nobody about him. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.